All right, let's talk about breakfast. We all face that same problem, right? You're busy, you're trying to get out the door, and you're just tired of grabbing the same old boring cereal. Well, today we're going to completely change that. We're diving into a super simple recipe that's going to upgrade your morning in like 5 minutes flat.
Does this look familiar? You wake up, you're rushing around, and you either grab the same thing you had yesterday and the day before, or worse, you just skip breakfast altogether. Well, that whole cycle of boring, uninspired morning meals, it ends today.
And here is the answer. The Sunrise Honey Parfait. Seriously, look at it. It's elegant, it tastes amazing, and it takes literally minutes to put together. This is way more than just breakfast, you know? It's kind of a statement. It says you actually care about your time, your health, and starting your day off right. So what do you need to make this happen? Let's take a look at the lineup. It's all about simple, fresh ingredients that create the perfect foundation. And I bet you've got most of this stuff in your kitchen already. Okay, first up, the base. We're starting with 3/4 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt. This is where you get that incredible creaminess and a really nice hit of protein. Think of it as the perfect canvas for all the awesome flavors we're about to add. And now for the star of the show. 3 tablespoons of raw honey. This is what gives the Sunrise Parfait its name, obviously, and that signature golden sweetness. And we're going to use it in a couple of different ways to make sure that amazing honey flavor comes through in every single bite. And here's the whole crew together. You've got your Greek yogurt and raw honey, of course, then some of your favorite granola for that crunch, some fresh berries, sliced banana, and a few chopped nuts. See? It's all about those simple, high-quality components. That's the real key here. All right, you've got your ingredients, so let's see how this all comes together. I'm telling you, this part is so fast, you can do it even on your craziest morning. We're talking 3 simple steps to breakfast perfection. First thing you're going to do, step 1, is sweeten the yogurt. Just stir in 2 tablespoons of honey until it's nice and smooth. Now for the fun part, step 2, layering. Grab a tall glass and start alternating between that honey yogurt, the granola, and your fresh berries. This is what creates those beautiful stripes and makes sure you get a perfect mix of textures. And then, step 3, you just top it all off with some banana, those nuts, and that last beautiful drizzle of honey. Oh, and here's a little pro tip. If you want to add a little something extra, a quick sprinkle of cinnamon right on top adds this wonderful warm spice that goes so well with the sweet honey and the tangy yogurt. It's a tiny little step that makes a huge difference. Okay, so you've totally mastered the basic parfait. But for those of you who want to really elevate this thing, let's talk about the single most important ingredient you can change, the honey itself. This is where you can get really, really creative. And hey, don't just take my word for it. This beekeeper tip from our source says it all. Using different honeys changes the whole breakfast. So that's the big takeaway here, right? Your choice of honey isn't just a minor detail, it is an absolute game changer. Now this is where it gets interesting because you get to play chef. If you just want that classic light and sweet flavor, go for clover honey. Easy. For something a little more interesting, wildflower honey has these really complex floral notes. But if you're feeling bold and you want something rich, almost like molasses, buckwheat honey is an incredible choice. Trust me, experimenting here is half the fun. We are at the final, crucial decision. You've built your masterpiece, you picked out your fancy honey, so now how do you actually want to eat it? The key thing to know is that the perfect texture, it's all about timing. And this lays it out perfectly. You've got 2 paths, and here's the deal. The secret to a perfect parfait is all about texture, and you're in complete control. If you love that satisfying crunch from the granola against the creamy yogurt, serve it immediately. But if you're someone who prefers a softer, more blended, almost cake-like texture, just let it sit for 5 minutes. The granola will soak up a little moisture and soften up beautifully. There's no wrong answer here. It's all about what you like.
And listen, the journey does not stop here. Think of this recipe as just a starting point. You can swap in apples and pecans for an autumn vibe, go tropical with pineapple and mango, or if you need more fuel, throw in some chia seeds for a protein boost. The possibilities are seriously endless. So there you have it, an elegant, absolutely delicious, and endlessly customizable breakfast that you can make in 5 minutes. The only question left is, with all these options, what is your perfect sunrise parfait going to look like? Are you ready to completely reinvent your morning?